combat engineers. What structural failure did you predict that senior officers dismissed until it happened exactly as you warned? During my second tour in Iraq, our unit was tasked with establishing a forward operating base near a riverbank outside Fallujah. The site had been selected by command because it offered tactical advantages, good visibility, and only one approach route for insurgents. As the combat engineer assigned to assess the location, I immediately noticed problems with the soil composition. The riverbank had severe erosion patterns, and the ground where they wanted to place our heavy equipment was showing signs of subsidence. I filed a report recommending we move the position 400 meters east to more stable ground. The major dismissed my concerns. "We don't have time for geological debates, Sergeant. This position is strategically superior." I pushed back, showing him soil samples and explaining how the coming rainy season would destabilize the entire area. "Sir, we're setting equipment on what's essentially a slow-moving mudslide." His response: "Last I checked, engineers don't make tactical decisions. Set up where ordered." 3 weeks later, after 2 days of moderate rainfall, I was awakened at 2:30 by a sound like thunder. Our generator platform had collapsed, sending our primary power source sliding 15 feet down toward the river. 2 soldiers were injured trying to secure it. The next morning, the major approached me while I supervised the recovery operation. "How long to move everything to that position you recommended?" I didn't say, "I told you so." Didn't need to. Just replied, "We can be operational by nightfall, sir." What frustrated me most wasn't being ignored. That happens in the military. It was that my assessment wasn't based on some obscure engineering knowledge. Anyone who built a sandcastle at the beach knows what happens when water meets unstable soil. The lesson cost us a generator, 2 injured men, and 3 days of compromised security. All avoidable if someone had just listened to the engineer they brought specifically to make these assessments.